Welcome to the mix. It's a new year, a new year. And thank you so much for making it the mix this morning. Now, we have Lady V here today as she is, letting you all know that it's a brand new year. And so we have to do new things with our life. And she's saying to all those who, may have thought about giving up last year or even today, not to give up but to keep going and strive for excellence. Put your one foot before the other and keep moving, because life gives you two options and she's saying to choose the better one for you. So as she said, you got two options in life and you have to keep moving, keep pulling yourself forward, keep going and keep making the right choices, and life will work out for you. So have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful new year, and as the year goes by, keep putting one foot before the other and keep moving on in life. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for making it the mix.
It just don't seem like I'm gonna get a house, so maybe I should just give up that thought. Let go of that dream. Don't give up yet. Don't give up yet. Let's do one more trek around the sun. This time with faith and renewed hope that there will be a blessing with your name on it. Come on, people. Let's not be so mean with our praise that our blessings won't come in abundance, but let us give us God to bless us with everything He has. So I know the year is pretty much at the end, but I know you are not at your end. I know the year is over. Merlin Isaac. All right, so with that, I hope you take this with you. It's the end of the year, but it's not the end of you. And I want you to understand the year is over, but you are not over. I just want you to be encouraged that better and brighter days are ahead, and God is going to show up for you. Don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. Just stay strong. Stay resolute. Be grateful. Show gratitude for the small blessings so when the big one comes. Because truth is, a lot of persons have not been too grateful for the small blessings, so the big blessings are not there yet. But you have to start to give up praise for small things, so God will trust you with big things. Now remember, peace of mind is everything. This is the end of 2022, and to see how some grown persons are so sad, despicable, and disgusting, it makes your stomach churn. You feel like you could literally vomit. But I want to encourage you. You have a choice. You can look left, where the detractors come from, or you can look right, where your blessings come from. Today you can choose to be happy or to be sad. Today you can choose to be a part of the problem or a part of the solution. Today you can choose to be a better person or to be a worse person. It's all up to you. Today you can choose to be a child or an infidel. Make up your mind and choose what works best for you. Today I choose love. Today I choose gratitude. Today I choose peace. Today I choose sanity. Today I choose inner peace. Inner peace. Today I choose my mental health. Today I choose God. Today I choose to end strong. Don't be dismayed. Don't lose hope. Remember to stay strong. Remember to share this live. Guys, I think I'll do one later if the internet stabilizes, all right? But if I happen not to do any, I just want to encourage you that it's not over, and you still have another chance to accomplish the things you did not accomplish. Ron J. Hem, big up yourself. You still have another chance to accomplish that which you didn't. And don't compare yourself with other people. Don't look at a person and say, if she or he gets a car, I should have had a car like that. Don't look at a person and say, if him or her get a house, I should have a house like that. Never compete with anyone. Never be in a competition. Do not compare your life to the life of another. You don't know that person's path, that person's journey. Jalisa Black, I miss you, baby. How you doing? You may see the glory, but you don't know the story. Some people have a lot of blessings, but don't have a lot of peace. They can't sleep at night. You have some miserable people in this world. If misery was a person, it would have been them. Because peace has long left the building where they reside. Because peace don't favor them. I just want to remind you, in your nothingness, in your limitation, and everything else, you're not the only one. We stand with you. We stand beside you. And we want you to know that you're worthy. Your life matters. Your dreams are valid. And yes, you are enough. And yes, God still favors you. And yes, you're going to accomplish the dreams you have, the desires, and many more. Because when God decides to pour his blessings out in you, it will be an overflow. Get ready. Get ready, my people. Make rooms for your gifts. Clean out those little back rooms and that little space. Because you know what? Everything that the locusts and the conquer worms and everything else stole from you in 2022, God is going to replace it for you in 2023. Don't lose hope. I don't mind how old you are and you don't own a house. There's a roof above your head. Let's give God thanks for that. Let's be grateful for the roof above our heads. You don't have a king size bed, but you have a double. Give gratitude. Come on now. You don't have the 2023 version of the vehicle you love. You have the one from 2000. Still start, still drive. Come on now, man. Gratitude, gratitude. Some of the things we take for granted is the things others are praying for. We have health, we have breath, we have sight, we have hearing. We're still clothing our right minds. Some persons out there are praying for that. 2 hands, 2 feet, and we're still not happy. Why is that so? How can you have 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 feet, but you're still sad? How? How can you be a mother and still this bitter, still this sad? What about the hugs from your children? Doesn't it melt your heart anymore? How can you have loved ones in your life that are saying to you daily, I love you, you're awesome, you're special, and you're still sad? Why is that so? How can you have a husband and you're so sad that the only thing you can do is inflict pain on others? Is it that your husband don't love you enough? Is it that your children don't hug you tight enough? Is it that your mother didn't suckle you long enough? Yes, that may be the